Want to know how to update your workspace description in Lovable AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Lovable AI application, or just simply open up your website and type in lovable.dev, and you should be provided with this screen right here. So make sure you're logged in order to follow these steps. We have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. Now, on the top right side, you should be something known as your profile. You should be seeing your profile, just simply select it. And here you should be seeing settings right beside invite. So just simply select settings. And once you have selected settings, you can just simply see workspace description. A new workspace setting should pop up, and make sure you are under your current profile right here. And then on a workspace description, you can just simply type about you. So once you are done, just simply select update right here, and you should be good to go. And that's it. This is how you easily add description in Workspace. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.